Morning. Today you will work on your IXL. It's going to be pretty easy today. We're going to identify trends in scatter plots. So remember, scatter plots are in the first quadrant usually, because you're usually just comparing two quantities that are positive numbers. So you're just going to see a picture of a scatter plot in the first quadrant, and you're going to decide, is it a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no correlation. It might also say trend, so those words are interchangeable. So basically, it's simple as this. If you were to draw a line through the center of the data, okay, if the line is going up from left to right, in other words, X is increasing and so is Y, it's a positive correlation. Okay, I'll show you another example. If you have a data set that if you draw a line of best fit, we'll learn more about that later, through the center of the data, as X is increasing, Y is decreasing. You call that a negative trend or correlation. And if you have dots where you can't really decide what type of correlation you have because everything is scattered all over, kind of like IQ and shoe size, for example, that would be considered no correlation. Okay, now let's talk about outliers. So I'm going to draw a scatter plot with a positive correlation because X is increasing and Y is increasing. And as you can see, there's one data point that's way over here. Okay, this person does not fit the trend, even though the trend is a positive correlation. You would call this guy an outlier. So you could report your data and say, yes, I do see that height and shoe size are connected, but there was one person in the class that was very tall, yet had a small foot. That person is called an outlier. Okay, if you have any questions, just email me and talk to you tomorrow.